I'll never forget the first time I read the book, The Road Less Traveled by Robert Scott Peck. The opening line was something like, "Life is difficult." I remember being disappointed. The older I get, the more accurate that statement has become. Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill. Every day we are bombarded with challenges we didn't expect, opportunities we have a passion to pursue, and even problems we created for ourselves. Without faith in someone greater than ourselves, life can become totally overwhelming. However, in the rush of the world, it's easy to forget or to fail to take advantage of the power of our faith. In a hectic day full of to-do lists, meetings, deadlines, or a quiet day of preparing proposals or writing blogs, here are 5 things I do that help me feel the power of God in my workspace. Number 1, I use wall art that inspires and encourages me. One example is an inspirational calendar hanging just above the Swift file on my desk, which I use every day without fail. My vision board is full of words and pictures that remind me of the great things God has done in my life. 2, I have Bible verses easily accessible at my desk. Since 2004, I've had Joyce Meyer's book, The Secret Power of Speaking God's Word, on my desk. When I'm talking to someone on the phone who's having a challenge, it's easy to flip through and find the perfect verse to share. 3, write a Bible verse for the week in my calendar. My original intention was to be a professional musician, but I dropped that idea when I realized it was extremely difficult for me to memorize music. Unfortunately, the same has been true of Bible memorization. Having a verse a week on which I focus is helpful. 4, put an essential oil in a diffuser that helps me focus or relax depending on my emotional state. Essential oils are made from the immune system of plants, a wonderful way to breathe the breath of God into my office air. 5, I play music in the background. Nothing changes my mood more quickly than music. I have a CD collection in my office organized by the type of music so I can quickly choose what I need. And of course, with a smartphone, you can have any music you need in seconds. Taking time to create a workspace that reminds you of your faith will help you accomplish your work and enjoy your life and help others to do the same. Thanks for listening.